Product based company or service based company, which one is better? Well, almost every student comes across this question whether they should go ahead with a product based company or a service based company for their dream career. So let's understand the key differences first. Product based companies are those companies who has their own products to sell such as Google, Facebook, Adobe, etc. While service based companies are those companies who are providing the services to their clients such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, etc. Product based companies provide high salaries and hike as compared to the service based companies. Product based companies always go for less number of hirings from the top colleges, while service based companies always go for mass recruitments. Also, cracking the interviews in product based companies is relatively difficult. In product based companies, the learning curve is really good. You get to work on the latest technologies, while in service based, companies generally puts the pressures into the support projects initially. Product based companies is flexible timings which you do not get in case of service based companies. You have to follow a strict timing. So what's your choice? And if you want to know more about product based and service based companies, let us know in the comments. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.